If you are calling for status on it, please hold while I connect your call.
Welcome to the vlog.
This call may be recorded for quality assurance
This day
purposes.
is ending a little crazy, but it didn't start that way. Welcome back to, what are we on, episode 30, chapter 30 of the Boxcar Project. If you're new here, welcome. If you would like to contribute and help the Box Truck Project, all you gotta do is subscribe. It's free. To subscribe, go to your Gmail, go to U-Haul. Okay, go to YouTube and hit subscribe. All right, let's see. Here's where we are. So look at this. This is cork underlayment. It's probably overkill, but because this is a minimum square foot project, only the best. Oh, this side up. I would have totally went the other way. Okay, good.
Every day I walk the floor and think of you. And every night I pray the Lord will see me through. Every time I think I find a love that's true, I fall right back to walk the floor and think of you.
The floor has to be bricked, stacked, and it will be running long ways with the U-Haul. So what's that mean? I've had plenty of time to think about this. All right, I believe visually that the first one has to be the center of the couch. The first is centered. From there, I'll build out piece long.
I'm walking the floor on
There's no tap.
that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right into walking the floor over you.
Man, okay. So here's the deal. When I put this together, a whelp comes up. I don't know why. Oh, was that a whelp? No, that's a seam. Okay, this puzzle is not... I don't know why I thought it would be easier. Okay, so I'm out. I need another box, 55 bucks. And I think they still make it. So this is not, order in the court, this is not a complete job day. The one thing I've learned, many things I've learned, is know when to walk away. Gotta walk away. I don't want to say it's an unwarranted panic attack. When I found this floor, it was in the middle. It felt like clearance. My entire drive here had the shadow of anxiety on it. What if? They do not carry this. I would have told you when I made the original purchase, I bought enough. Spoiler alert, I didn't. Listen, I need to go home. I need a little focus time to really understand what I just read. But what I just saw, it is better if I rip up everything I've just done, not the padding, and start over. Because one $69 box comes with $279 shipping. That cannot be correct.
It's a great day at Foreign Decor. My name is Janelle. May I have your name, please?
Hi, Janelle. This is Tony Hayden. Can I tell you what my anxiety was?
What's that?
That I had to pay $245 to ship one box.
Oh boy, that can happen.
Oh.
But fortunately, it's in the warehouse.
Whee!
Yes. All right. So I just need you to please type your credit card number into your phone keypad.
You've helped me. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, because you have been such a bright light in my day, and now it's almost over.
Oh.
So I hope you have a good rest of your day.
I'm usually the booby prize, so okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Siri, what's the date today?
It's Thursday, the 9th of May, 2015.
15 days ago. That was a very unscheduled break. Now, the good news is, if I purchase this U-Haul in June, that is the exact amount of time that my yard has been neglected. So for 2 weeks, I've been able to dig out the fall, the winter. I can almost say that for 2 weeks, I stepped away from the project. I don't know if I want to go back. So, it has been nice being in my yard. I have baby ducks. I haven't been in here. I haven't opened this up since April 24th, 15 days ago. I would have told you the day that I was doing the floor. And it just takes that, it just takes that Memorial Day goal further. These are not secure. I'm only gonna have sand, dust, and debris fill the cracks. Right. And me trying to make it better, I could easily make it worse. Here's what I learned about me too. Because I'm obsessive, I've become obsessive about the yard. All I gotta do is get back in here and Papa can get his groove back. I just have to get back in here. So let's begin. So the baseboards are going to fix it in place because it's a floating floor. Disclosure, not all of it. I glued a couple pieces down because, again, this is not a square. Whee! Wow, that looks good. Lest you forget. Okay, all of this, even today, took much more than I thought. 2 weeks ago, when I began the floor, I knew that you'll be done in a day and you'll begin the countertop, you'll begin the refrigerator. No, that didn't happen. But I will tell you that anytime I feel like when I lose my mojo, all you have to do is start. That's a lesson to everybody, right? It seems pretty symptomatic, but the best way to start is to begin. I think that's enough. This video, again, this video has been 3 weeks in the making, but here's the good news that happened. Not only did my yard get done, I fixed this camera. I broke it. It's warranted, but they had it for 2 weeks. My laptop wasn't working properly. That's been repaired. And my drone, which I crashed in the Greek islands last year, I have repaired all of my technology. This is all that I'm doing today, and that is not a bad thing. Now, this U-Haul has a floor.
I'm walking the floor over you. I can't sleep a wink, that is true. I'm hoping and I'm praying as my heart breaks right in two.